Is your Audi infotainment system stuck on the loading screen? This frustrating issue manifests as a boot loop with the Audi logo or a frozen MMI interface during startup. These issues are common in Audi vehicles with MIB3 systems in newer models from 2021 to 2025 and MIB2 Plus systems in older vehicles from 2016 to 2020. The root causes often include cache corruption, memory fragmentation, software conflicts, or hardware degradation. Now let's look at 3 immediate solutions you can try. Solution 1. Soft reset. Hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds while the engine is running, then wait 30 seconds before restarting. This resolves minor glitches about 60% of the time. Solution 2. Cache reset using green menu access. Simultaneously press and hold menu plus rotary dial plus upper right corner to access the green menu engineering mode. Navigate to Reset Options and select Clear Cache or Factory Reset. Solution 3. Battery disconnect. Disconnect the 12-volt battery for 15 to 20 minutes to completely discharge the system and clear the memory. This is effective for persistent cache issues. These 3 immediate solutions can quickly restore your infotainment system's functionality. Try them in order, starting with the soft reset, then the cache reset, and finally the battery disconnect if needed. When basic troubleshooting methods fail to resolve Audi infotainment loading issues, advanced solutions become necessary. We'll explore software updates and professional diagnostic tools. The first advanced solution is performing a complete software update. This process requires downloading the latest firmware from the My Audi portal and properly preparing a USB drive. Start by accessing the My Audi portal through the mobile app or website to download the latest firmware for your specific vehicle model. Critical step: format your USB drive to FAT32 file system. This is essential for the Audi system to recognize the update files. Follow the specific folder structure requirements and insert the USB drive while the infotainment system is completely off. Warning: the update process takes 45 to 90 minutes and must never be interrupted. Interrupting can cause permanent system damage, requiring expensive repairs. If software updates don't resolve the issue, professional diagnostic tools are required to identify deeper system problems. VCDS, also known as VAGCOM, is the most accessible professional tool. It reads error codes and provides basic diagnostic information for most Audi systems. ODS, the Offboard Diagnostic Information System, provides dealer-level diagnostics with advanced programming capabilities for complex system issues. The VAS 5054A diagnostic tool offers complete system reprogramming capabilities, essential for severe corruption issues that require full system restoration. When using professional tools, proper diagnosis is crucial before attempting any repairs or reprogramming. Follow these best practices. Wait 2 to 3 weeks after new software releases to ensure stability, and monitor your system's performance before updating. If problems persist after software updates and professional diagnostics, hardware replacement may be necessary, costing between $800 and $2,500, depending on the components involved. Professional diagnosis typically costs $150 to $300, but this investment can save thousands by identifying the exact problem before attempting expensive repairs.